Hey guys, how we doing? Just another wee quick video, nothing special. Um, this parsley is coming up better than the stuff out the greenhouse. My marigolds aren't doing very good. This is anise and this is fennel that I have pricked out from here. In here I've got some lemon seeds that I thought I'm going to try and grow some lemon bushes. But they're not doing anything. Do I need to stratify them? Do I need to chill them down before I put them in here? Or if any of you have got any ideas, please let me know. Um, Basically, that's what's going on in there. But when we come outside, starting to get a strawberry starting to turn red. We get other strawberries. These I still haven't put out yet. Still, these are really needing putting out, especially the beans. I think it's about time I got these out as well. These are iceberg lettuce and these are little gem lettuce. And here, these tomato plants seem to be growing up like 2 inches a day. I'm really chuffed with the way they're coming on. These are what I've got left in my Crimson Crush, my outdoor tomatoes. That's my cherry tomato over there. It's got its first truss on it. This one's got its first truss on it. And this one is just showing its first truss. So they're all doing well. My peas, sorry about the shadow. My peas have grown about 2 inches in the past 4 days. The wife bought these, they were on sale. I think it was £2 for all of them, so she picked them up. This is the rice garden. I've got my corn in, 10 corns. Put that in the other day there. And I've got my Crimson Crush now in its own bed. Got 5 in here, I've got 3 over there. This is my lemon balm and my mint. See, if you crush these leaves up, put them in hot water with a teaspoonful of honey, makes a brilliant drink. The herbs, if I put them in here, have fair come on. The dill has basically tripled in size. The basil is doing really well. Parsley has actually started to come up. Garlic chives actually smell like garlic now. Thyme, oregano, these are rosemary. That's rosemary. That's a wee bit of rosemary, and that's a wee bit of rosemary. These are still to go. I need to find some more for these. The chard, the kale is coming up. I really need to weed these beds. Garlic is fairly sprouting. And again, I really need to weed the beds. And that's about it. I've lost all my pears that were on the tree, pear buds, they're gone. My raspberries are coming. The bees like it, I don't know if you can see that. Plenty of cherries. This is a tree that I planted from a seed and it's grown well, but it's never ever produced a flower. Red currants coming. Nothing in the blueberry bush. Is that the plum? No, this is the plum tree, sorry. This is the plum tree and there's nothing on it fruit wise. This is the tree that I planted from an apple seed, out an apple, and it's never produced a flower. And this is the golden delicious, and it's full of buds. Odds everywhere, so hopefully we'll get some apples off of this one this year. And that's really about it. I'm kinda done. Every so often, every 2 days, I don't have an outdoor tap out my back door. I've got one out my front door. So at 90 days, take the hose out my kitchen window, plug it in at my outside tap, run it through here and out here, and every 2 days, and I give the garden a good soaking in this weather. But politicians being politicians already in Scotland, we have to watch what we're doing with the water. We've had 4 days of sunshine, and all of a sudden, oh dear, we need to watch what we're doing with water. Unbelievable. 4 days of sunshine and we're already restricted.